क्या पहनूं? फैमिली फंक्शन है। बोल ड्रेस पहन लूं क्या? क्या कहते हो? नहीं 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 नहीं, मासी आने वाली फैमिली फंक्शन में आएंगी और देखेंगी मैंने बोल ड्रेस पहने हुए है तो पक्का कमेंट करेंगी। तो क्या पहनूं? फुलकारी पालूं क्या? पता नहीं। एटलीस्ट अप्रिशिएट नहीं करेंगी तो कमेंट भी नहीं करेंगी, फुलकारी पा लेती हो नहीं? Hello everybody, welcome to Mutating Minds. So today in this video we're going to talk about the how to overcome the fear of being judged by others. We all are having a fear of being judged by others. आपके साथ भी होता है कि कई बार आप कुछ करने जाते हो तो आप पहले आपके दिमाग में एक ख्याल होता है, यार अगर मैंने ये काम किया तो लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे. इट क्वाइट हैपेंस विद ऑल ऑफ अस. कई बार होता है कि आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाते हो पार्टी करने एंड दे आर हैविंग अ हैबिट ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग अल्कोहल. And if you're not having it, so sometimes they force you and sometimes they not force you. But अंदर से एक inner voice आती है, यार सब कर रहे हैं और अगर मैं नहीं करूँगा तो मे भी लोग समझेंगे कि मैं शायद I'm not a man, I'm not a macho man, या मैं बहुत boring हूँ. These are some thoughts that quite comes in our mind when we see people around us are enjoying in these manners. So what we do, just to show people, we start drinking or we start doing those things that we don't want to do. Right? We are not supposed to do anything that people want us to do. We are only supposed to do those things that we want to do. Because in that situation, we are the only person who is responsible for that thing. And we cannot blame anyone for that thing. If we think about people, if we try to take every single shit on their opinions, what happens? Suppose, an XYZ person giving you opinions for that thing that he or she's never experienced in their life. And you done that thing because that person has said that. And if you fail later, so what happens? You try to blame. You try to put all the blame on his or her head. And that person, what he or she tries to do in that situation, maybe he will say that मैंने नहीं कहा था, और अगर कहा भी था तो मे भी मैंने तो इस मैनर में कहा था, अगर तुमसे नहीं हुआ then you are putting all the blame over my head. It happens, right? But don't you think कि आपको उस जगह पर अपनी सेंसिबिलिटी यूज करनी चाहिए थी? बिकॉज हो सकता है वो इंसान अभी 60 ईयर्स का है, आप 20 ईयर्स के हैं, और उस टाइम के वो वाला टाइम पीरियड एंड ये इस टाइम पीरियड में ऑलमोस्ट 40 ईयर्स का गैप है, which is quite more. So in that situation, what happens? You try to put all the blame over his head, which is not suitable for anyone. Let me give you an example here. Suppose you're going to do something and any person has performed that thing already, and some of your elder is telling you that please don't do that thing because the other person has done that thing and faced the repercussions. As that person isn't succeed in that thing, so it is high possibility that you may also fail in that thing. And you obediently abided by your elders or your seniors. As you are not pushing yourself here, it is a high possibility that the other person will come and grab the opportunity and may succeed further. Because at the other place, the person is not listening to anyone. What he is listening? He is listening to his inner strength, his or her guts, and he's ready to take the risk in life as he is. It does not mean that he is ill-mannered or he is not abiding by the elders or any of them. It is just that until you are listening to elders, you are not, giving your mind the space to think about anything in the world. And if you're not ready to think anything, you are not ready to take risk. Believe me, I am not sure, like how you take it, but it is a fact. You are unable to get success. Okay, so here you are not taking an initiative to do that act further, or maybe in a nicer manner, but you are abided by the elders in a more obedient manner as you can do that. But have you observed here one thing, that it can be a possibility that you can do that thing in a better manner and you may succeed. But no, as you didn't take the initiative, the other person will come, grab that opportunity, and and it is a possibility that may succeed in that thing. Let me tell you here one thing, guys. This is your life, right? And the command has to be in your hands only. As other person is, advising you or recommending you several things, but you need to use your wits here. As the wits is equal to everyone, then how could you think that the other person is that not intelligent that he or she can take your decisions on your behalf? I don't think so. The situation is totally different in his case or in your case. The time period, all the situations that the other person has faced is maybe, you can't face, because the advancements are touching the sky nowadays, and we are very aware of that. And if you want to being judged by others, so please choose those people जिन्होंने लाइफ में कुछ उखाड़ा है अभी तक, जो सच में बहुत कुछ उखाड़ चुके हैं, जिन्हें बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है, उनके पास जाओ आप। आपको कोई भी जजमेंट लेनी है, कोई भी तरीके का एक्सपीरियंस लेना है, और आप चाहते हो कि कि कोई आपकी लाइफ में रहे, कि आपको जज करे, आपको आपके फ्लॉज पता है, नेगेटिव्स पता है, पॉजिटिव्स पता है, कि आपको इस डायरेक्शन में वर्क करना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, तो आप उन लोगों के पास जाओ जो सच में दे आर very virtuoso and they're very experienced. Just go to them directly. And I'm damn sure they will not, rejecting you or rule out you to say, I can't do this, I don't want to do this. It's your thing, your job, your thing. No, no. If a man or a woman is virtuous, so they know the worth of being virtuoso. Okay, they will never deny you. So use the thing that is available to you, but in a sincere and in a very grateful manner, because it is your life, your rule, and you will set the rules of your life. No one will do that for you. And if the person is doing that for you, then please cancel them from your life, as it is the high time to take an action of your life. Otherwise, you will be repenting in the future. And as I always say this, when the others are reacting, the silent ones are reflecting. When the others are exploding, the silent ones are exploring and evolving the world. So be the silent ones. Do not try to be the others, because the silent ones are those people who are really going to change the world. Okay? Hope you guys like the video. If you like it, then please like the video, comment the video, and subscribe it for more. Thank you so much.